I got some skeletons locked in the closet. Yeah, yeah. And I've been dying just to find an outlet. Yeah. And I'm hoping that no one finds out about it. Yeah, yeah. Wishing maybe it'll disappear, but I doubt it. I doubt
it. I got some skeletons in my closet, and I don't know if no one knows it. So before they throw me inside my coffin and close it, I'ma expose it. I'll take you back to 73, before I ever had a multi-platinum selling CD. I was a baby, maybe I was just a couple of months. My faggot father must have had his panties up in a bunch. Z-split, I wonder if he even kissed me goodbye. No, I don't. On second thought, I just fucking wished he would die. I look at Haley, and I couldn't picture leaving her side. Even if I hated Kim, I grit my teeth and I try to make it work with her. At least for Haley's sake, I maybe made some mistakes, but I'm only human. But I'm man enough to face them today. What I did was stupid, no doubt it was dumb, but the smartest shit I did was take the bullets out of that gun, cause I'd have killed him. Said I would've shot Kim and them both. It's my life. I'd like to welcome y'all to the Eminem show.
I got some skeletons locked in the closet. And I've been dying just to find an outlet. And I'm hoping that no one finds out about it. Wishing maybe it'll disappear, but I doubt it.
I love her because she's my mother.
Cause to this day we remain estranged and I hate it though. Cause you ain't even get to witness your grandbaby's growth. But I'm sorry mama for cleaning out my closet at the time. I was angry, rightfully maybe so. Never meant that girl to take it though. Cause now I know it's not your fault and I'm not making jokes. That song on no longer playing shows and I cringe every time it's on the radio. Now they can wait for you in place in a home and the medicine you medicine. Now I just wanted you to taste your own, but now the medication's taking over and your mental state's deteriorating slow. And I wait you want to cry, this shit is painful over my. I forget. So does Nathan, yo. All you did, all you said, you did your best to raise us for foster care. That course you did. You may be as heavy as yours, but I love you deadbeat never. It's over the table where we had. Cause one thing I never asked was, that's what my deadbeat dad was. Crooked, I guess he had trouble keeping up with every address.
I got some skeletons locked in the closet. And I've been dying just to find an outlet. And I'm hoping that no one finds out about it. Wishing maybe it'll disappear, but I doubt it. I
Because she's my mother. Because she's my mother. She's my mother.
got some skeletons.